All right, Chris here with Handle It today. Today we're going to show you how we would protect pallet racking with seismic base plates. So first thing of all, this is a standard 12-inch high post protector that would go on most uprights as a 4.5-inch opening here. Well, as you see, it wouldn't work because it's going to hit this base plate. So what we have is we have a P12-8, which has an 8-inch clearance here, so you can get in like that and cover the whole upright. Now one thing you'll notice here, this is quite a bit bigger. It is sturdy because it does have 4 anchor points on it, but you do get into the aisle a little bit. So if you want a cheaper solution, you could go with this raised one. We call it a P12-3R, which is a raised post protector. Notice this is raised up, so it's even with the base plate, and you have 2 anchor points in the front. So you're not intruding into that aisle space at all.